This video is presented by AEDmarket.com, and today we're going to guide you through the steps to change both the pads and battery in the Cardiac Science PowerHeart G3 Plus and G3 Pro AEDs. It's important to note that the procedures for changing pads and batteries are identical for both of these AED units, with our primary demonstration being focused on the G3 Plus. To begin, easily remove the case by detaching the Velcro straps located on both the left and right sides of your case. Let's start with the battery replacement. The AED's battery is located at the bottom of the device. To replace it, simply pop it out. On the battery, you will find a reference number, a lot number, and a date, which indicates the date of manufacture. This battery comes with a 4-year full operational guarantee, starting from the moment you install the new battery in your AED. Now let's move on to changing the pads. For the sake of clarity in this instructional video, we temporarily removed the battery, although in normal circumstances, it should remain in place. To replace the pads, press the designated button and open the lid. Disconnect the old pads and you'll be ready to install a new set. These pads come with a 2-year expiration date, indicated in 2 different locations, one on the front and one on the back. It's crucial to replace the pads before this expiration date or if the AED is used for any reason. When inserting the new pads, make sure to align the red and white connectors correctly. Plug them in and securely place them in the designated pocket before closing the lid. After replacing either the battery or the pads, the AED's ready indicator will remain red until it completes its nightly self-test. To change it to green, simply open and close the lid. When you see the green indicator, you can be confident that your AED is in optimal condition and emergency ready. If you have any questions or would like to discuss purchasing options, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at AED Market. You can call us at 1-800-441-8378 and we would be happy to assist you.